Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix controller or gamepad not working in the Binding of Isaac Rebirth game. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes very carefully. Now the first fix is to enable disable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game and then click on properties. Go to the controller tab and first select the disable Steam input and then restart the game because changing requires restart of the game. And then check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then again go to the game properties, go to controller tab and this time select enable Steam input, then again restart the game, and after restarting the game check if your controller or gamepad is working or not. Fix 2 is to press the Alt plus Enter keys. So try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the problem. Now check if the controller or gamepad is working in the Binding of Isaac Rebirth game or not. Fix 3 is to disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. So other peripherals on a PC like third-party game controllers or any plugged peripherals such as USB devices, pen drive, phone, camera or additional controller, display, mouse, keyboard might conflict with the game. So remove such peripherals and then check if it fixes the problem or not. Fix 4. Check if controller is properly connected. So please check and make sure that your controller is connected properly to your PC. Wireless controller, check if it is paired correctly. Wired controller, try plugging it into different ports and then check. You can also test your controller on different systems to identify the problem. Fix 5 is to use a wired controller. This is an alternative solution. Maybe game have some bug or glitches at present and your wireless controller is not working. So if you have wired controller, then connect it and then play the game as of now. Fix 6 to restart Steam, restart PC. So simply close the Steam from Task Manager, then relaunch Steam and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't help, then restart your PC and then launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve controller or gamepad not working in the Binding of Isaac Rebirth game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.